Next, A. Sanatari Devi. She is a letter in 5 subjects. T. Pushparani Devi. She secures a letter in 4 subjects. Vandana Vata. She secures letter in 4 subjects. Standard. Now I'll rest all the students who secure first division, second division, and other letter marks. Mantana Begum, please stand up. Orpa Pal Chaudhary, first division. Mantana Begum, first division 2 letter. Orpa Pal Chaudhary, first division 2 letter. Nazira Begum, Lashkar, first division 1 letter. K. Rashmi Devi, first division 1 letter. Manish Ravidas, first division 2 letter. L. Sunil Singh, first division 1 letter. H. Anand Singh, first division 1 letter. Reshma Begum, first division. Nirmay Bhattacharya, first division 1 letter. Nirmay acting action. Moshami Begum, first division. Rahil Ahmed Bardoya, second division. A. Uttam Singh, first division. L. Aditya Singh, second division. Ibrahim Bardoya, second division. Mama Das, I think absent, second division. R. K. Santagopal, second division. Shatrajit Judge, second division. Jashir Bardoya, second division. T. Sanjay Singh, second division. Total 23 students appeared HSLC examination. 100% pass. That means they all are pass. 3 distinction. They are Prerana Dev. Prerana again you say that. Prerana Dev distinction 6 letter. Please have a big hand. Pushparani 4 letter distinction. Yes, Sanatari 4 letter, 5 letter distinction. Vandana Vatam 4 letter star mark. On behalf of school, I'd like to congratulate you all for your achievement, and I wish the next batch also to maintain such result. Miss Perona, please come and receive the prize. A. Sanatari Devi, who secured 5 letters distinction mark in this HSLC examination, I would like to request Madam Ronita Devi to offer the gift to A. Sanatari Devi. Now, I would like to request Sir Goshing, distinguished teacher and senior teacher of our Gunamani Academy, to offer gift to T. Pushparani Devi, who secured 4 letters distinction marks in this HSLC examination. Now I would like to request Sir Mama Das Gupta to offer the prize to Vandana Vatam, who secured 4 letters star mark in the HSLC examination. Please celebrate Indians. Now, I'd like to request Miss Kunjarani to offer the prize to Mentona Begum Sheikh, who secured first division along with two letters. Please have a big hands. Now, Rupa Pal Chaudhary, who secured two letters first division in the HSLC examination. Now I'd like to call to offer the prize to Nazira Begum Leshkar, who secured first division along with one letter. I'd like to request Sir S. Shamarjit Singh, Sir, please come on the dais and offer the gift to K. Roshni Devi, who secured first division and one letter in HSLC examination.
Call Madam Supriya.
I'd like to call, please come on the dais and offer the gift to Monish Ravidas, who secured first division along with two letters in the HSLC examination. Have a big hand. Request Madam Horibati, please come on the dais and offer the prize to L. Sunil Singh, who secured first division along with one letter. I'd like to request now Madam A. Onima Singh, please come on the dais and offer the gift to H. Anand, who secured first division along with one letter. And offer the gift to Moshami Begum, who secured first division mark in the HSLC examination. Now I'd like to request for the gift to F. Uttam Singh, who secured first division mark in the HSLC examination. Now, and offer the gift to L. Aditya Singh, who secured second division mark in the HSLC examination. Please at the ticket. Please offer the prize to Ibrahim Badgoya, who secured second division mark in the HSLC examination. Of TH Gunamani Academy to offer the gift to R.K. Shantagopal Singh, who secured second division mark in HSLC examination. Again, I would like to the dice and offer the prize to Satyajit Das, who secured second division mark in HSLC examination. Jasim Hussain is absent, I think. Who's and received the gift from Sir Rinku Das Gupta, Minmay secure first division along with one letter. Madam Supriya, please come and receive the gift on behalf of Minmay Bhattacharya. Please. Request Madam Ranita Devi, Principal of TH Gunamani Academy, to offer the gift to Reshma Begum. Reshma, please come on the dais and receive your prize. Please have a ticket for Reshma.
Very good morning to the respected headmistress, Madam Ranita, all my dear respected teachers, all the guests, my dear friends and my dear juniors. Myself is Sanathivi Devi, and it is an honor for me to stand here today and give a speech on this special occasion of our felicitation program. First of all, I would like to thank the GP President and all the teachers for arranging such a wonderful program. So this year I appeared the SSLC exam and I passed out with 85.3%. And I would like to give all these credits to my parents, to my school teachers, my tuition teachers, and also to my friends. My parents and teachers always supported me and guided me in a right way and always motivated me and encouraged me. Thank you so much. And yes, I am very thankful to my friends because they were always there for me when I needed help. And I would like to congratulate all of my friends for passing the examination with good results. And I'm also very happy that all my mates have passed this SSLC examination. I hope that we will have a bright future ahead. For me, I didn't have any proper study time because I always go to tuitions and school. So I daily 5 to 6 hours a day I read, and during school days and during the study leave days, that is before the SSLC examination, I study 10 to 12 hours a day. And I would like to give a message to my juniors that please stay positive, work hard, have faith in yourself. Success is all yours. You will face many difficulties and problems. We will lose confidence many times, but you just have to believe in yourself and work hard to achieve success. And yes, please avoid distractions. And I hope that you all will surely get great results. And I wish all the best for the upcoming SSLC examination 2024. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear respected teachers, Honorable GP President Sir, and all everyone present here. First of all, I would like to thank all my dear respected teachers and respected GP President Sir for inviting me in this facilitated program. Recently, I passed my HSLC examination and I secured 87.66%. It is not possible for me alone to achieve this. It is just because of my parents, my dear teachers, teachers' effort, support, and for their lessons and teachings. They taught me how to manage time, how to work smart. They guided me. I would like to thank all of our teachers for their great support and great teachings. I acquired many knowledges, thoughts from this beautiful campus. I shall never forget from where I begin. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, and this school is like my first step. And I wish all of my juniors to achieve bright success. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Assistant Headmistress Madam Ranita, respected GP President, respected teachers, and my dear friends and juniors. Myself, P. Pushparani Devi, and I have recently passed the SSLC exam, securing 85.8%. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all my mates for passing the SSLC exam, and I would like to express my gratitude to all my teachers, my family, and my friends for their endless support, which always motivate me to give my best. Thank you, Ms. Madam Sir, for providing us with all the knowledge and supporting us and guiding us. The preparation of my SSLC was a challenging task for me, as for the first time the question pattern was also changed and we were absolutely clueless about the question paper. For me, I don't have any specific time to study, I just study consistently. And I set a target of completing this much chapter for today. So I try to complete the target. Last but not the least, I would also like to give a small suggestions to all my juniors. Have faith on yourself, stay motivated, try to keep the habit of reading everything. And most importantly, try to solve the previous year's question. Yeah, and yes, this helped me a lot in preparing the HSLC exam. Thank you so much, everyone.
To my dear respected GP President, Headmistress Madam, my dear friends and my dear juniors. Myself Vandana Vatham, and recently I have passed my SSLC examination with a good marks. First of all, I would like to congratulate all my fellow mates for securing a good marks in SSLC examination. And also I would like to thank the authorities for organizing this wonderful program. To be honest, I don't really have a proper routine for study. I study continuously and finally I have success in my study. And also I would like to thank my parents, teachers and my dear friend for always supporting me. I would like to conclude my short speech by giving advice to all my juniors that hard work, keep trying, and the success will be yours. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Actually, today I am not prepared about this, and I have never thought that I will be here to give a small speech. So I will start with a few lines, and actually I am not prepared, so that's why I am facing some problems. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all my dear friends for passing the HSLC exam, and also I'm thankful to all the teachers for supporting us for scoring such an good marks. And I think our teachers has expected more from us, but I think it's not the last. Actually, we can score, but we should try. Actually, I have not scored this much. I think many of our teachers have expected more from me. I think I hurt them, or I feel sorry about that. But I promise them that not only this exam, I will score more marks in our upcoming exams like higher secondaries. I promise I will score good marks. So also I thankful to our GP president for organizing such an felicitation program for us. Thank you so much, sir. And here I am concluding my speech. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, friends and my dear respected teachers. Sir, thank you very much.
I'd like you to Rashmi. Yeah, Rashmi Devi.
A very good morning to everyone. Myself, K. Roshni Devi, and today, first of all, I would like to thank the GP President and the Assistant Headmistress for organizing such a great program. First of all, I would like to share the experience that I just experienced few days ago when my results came out. I was crying like anything. I was crying like my life depends on it when my results came out. Because I did my best and I gave my 100%, but yet my results are not that satisfying. But my parents supported me, and they said that, no, we are really proud of you. You gave your best, you gave your 100% on everything, but the result doesn't mean that it's your future. You have to do great in everything. You have to go ahead. You have to go ahead and you have to try your best in everything. So I just like to tell everyone that sometimes you have to go with the flow and you have to go ahead with what you achieve. and you should never give up. You should keep working, you should hard work, you should work hard, and you should go ahead with it. Thank you.
I'd like to call Mantuna Begum. Mantuna, please come and share your views. Where is Mantuna?
Ran away.
Das Gupta. Have a chicken. Have a chicken for Miss.
Hey everyone. So respected GP President of Palabad GP and one of our guardian, respected my colleagues and my lovely students. Here we all are gathered to felicitate our pass out students the HSLC examination 2023 batch. So today I would like to congratulate all the students, those who pass out with flying colors. You have given the good result for the school again. So I'm really proud of you. You have set the inspiration for your next generation, your juniors. So your juniors are expecting so many things from you. So today, yeah, I would like to say that after a few days, maybe you will take admission in other school, in other colleges from your hometown. So students, before that, I would like to advise you, you choose your subject wisely, okay? According to your dream, according to your goal, you have to choose your subject. You have to choose your stream. Otherwise, you will be derailed from your goal. So those who wants to become success in a life, they should compete themselves. They should not compete with others. Clear? You should compete yourself. The percentage, the marks which you got in this examination, it is not enough for you. You should compete yourself. Why? When you compete with others, it creates enmity. It creates jealousy. Clear? So you compete yourself so that you can improve yourself. You can succeed in your life. For your better achievement, you should always focus in your goal. Until you achieve your goal, it turns into aim. It turns your achievement should not stop. Clear? So here, this batch is one of my favorite batch. When I joined the school, they were in class 5 until from that. Still I am teaching them, and they are very supportive. Because of their supportive nature, they all pass out with flying colors. Isn't it? So never leave, never give up. Okay? So with this, I would like to conclude. Before concluding, I would like to congratulate the guardians
of our students, those who supported and those who encouraged. I'd like to congratulate to all my colleagues, those who supported the students to achieve such results. So with this, I would like to conclude my speech here. Thank you everyone.
School city result she Nikidana Majanaki pass story and Nuaitavadi Asiana Amana Padaba Chardam Pagadi. I asked my promise I stand that or the winner composition in the I know that music Kuriba Anang Sina, which is target for the time. Alu mukoi si tunda, boleh si puncida. Anu saya ngam lagi na, masih emon objektif macam mana, mana panjaba, panjaba thang nak kan, mana betul? School susu cakap apa, masih high school living saja, sungai school dia pass tu pun mukoi ngasi, boleh selain itu asumana na mixed ke pun na pass tu dia habis khang lagi, mana ni, masana pamba macam ni sebelum baik. Aduga, wajah tanah surat tanah, pabila bagi anak jam section no hana biasa, ayah ambak guardian sing mereka ni, guardian sing akan no hana biasa mas, ayah aku school di saat apa di jalan mah, purpur lagi. Aduh, tunda hari baca haron sing su, saat sing su, kami baca 9, 10 di saat, 8 sing santa maka tahu saat sing se, ayah mukul lagi hela bawa muka karena school sini bisa berkerja, anak satu live activity, class 9, 10, 8 तब मेरा साथ रसिंग की नहारों साथ रसिंग से अंगान सिंह सिखरा और जहाँ तक पके लोगों दो है उसे थोड़ा वो माँ दो गार्जियन की गार्जियन हुआ वाले अरुगा स्कूल सीरीज मरो है ना ओजा सिंह इकाई पुनर्गल है ना ओजा सिंह हुआ है ना इच्छी ना तार गदी अदुए ना फगड़े बनी tunda asumut tok kami dangta aina saat ini serokom result bhalo hoy jate ei school er naam tao jate ujjol kora hoy sei ব্যবস্থা তোমরা মনের উপর রাখে পড়াশোনা করবে অনেকজনের যার উদ্দেশ্য আছে ইঞ্জিনিয়ার ডাক্তার বা সায়েন্টিস্ট হওয়ার জন্য যারা মনোভাব থাকে সেই অনুযায়ী তোমরা নিজস্ব চেষ্টা করবে এবং যারা শিক্ষক মন্ডলী আছেন যারা অভিভাবক আছেন যারা সবাই তোমরা সব সময় সম্মান জানাবেন যাতে তোমরা পরবর্তী জীবন ভারতের নাগরিক হিসাবে উজ্জ্বল করার জন্য আমি তোমাদের আশীর্বাদ দিতেছি এবং যারা এখন যে পড়াশোনা করতেছেন ক্লাস 9 and 10 এর যারা ছাত্র সেরকম যে তোমাদের বড় ভাই এবং দিদি যেরকম স্কুলের নাম করেছেন সেরকম তোমরাও খুব চেষ্টা নেবেন যাতে পরে এই স্কুলের নামটা উজ্জ্বল হয় এই ব্যবস্থা তোমরা নিজেরাই চেষ্টা নেবেন এবং গার্জিয়ানও সেই ব্যবস্থা নেবেন এবং শিক্ষক মন্ডলের ব্যবস্থা নেবেন এই বলে আমি বেশি বক্তব্য রাখবো না এখানে শেষ করছি আমার বক্তব্য
A very good morning. Results has inspired our junior students to come up more inspirations to come up with more fine colors. So only one advice I want to give to our students who are passing this years, that is, here the real pictures of the world you are going to face. That means you are going from one family to another family. So that means this here from here onwards you are going to join the new family. So just keep in your mind one words. That means you are the best. Okay, that words you keep in your mind. You are the best. No one is better than you. With this word you'll get motivation. You'll get inspiration from inside. Okay, with this word I'll conclude my speech. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody, student, respected sir এবং ম্যাডাম। এখানে অনেক 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 আজকে ধন্যবাদ দিচ্ছি যে আমাদের গুণমণি স্কুলের এইভাবে রেজাল্ট হয়েছে বলে। সত্যি কথা খুব গর্বিত যে যেটা ভাববার কথা নাই, মানে এইভাবে হয়েছে। স্কুলে সবাই পরিশ্রম যেভাবে করেছে, আমি নিজেও দেখেছি টিচাররা যেভাবে করেছে, এই পরিশ্রমের ফল আজকে আমাদের এখানে ভালো শোনা গেছে। আমি নিজেও ভাবতে পারি না যে এরকম হবে বলে। যাইছে আশা রাখবো যে নেক্সট যাতে আরো ভালো হয়। কিন্তু আমি স্কুলের শিক্ষক এবং শিক্ষিকাকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ জানাই যে এইভাবে ওরা পরিশ্রম করেছে, যে পরিশ্রমের ফল আজকে আমাদের এখানে পাওয়া গেছে। এবং সবাই স্টুডেন্টকেও আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাই যে যে রেজাল্ট করেছো ভালো হয়েছে, নেক্সটে যাতে এর চেয়ে আরো ভালো ভালো করার চেষ্টা করো, হায়ার সেকেন্ডারিতে ভালো করো, যত ভালো করবে এত ভালো হবে। নেক্সট জেনারেশন আছে, আমি সবাইকে বলছি যে ভালোভাবে স্কুলে যাতে স্কুলে হয়, সবাই ঘরে যেয়ে করে পড়াশোনা করো, খালি স্কুলে যাতে হয় যাতে করে। সবাইকে আমি গার্জিয়ানকেও এখানে বলছি যে সবাই একটু চেষ্টা করার জন্য, যে নেক্সট জেনারেশন যাতে আমাদের এখানে আরো ভালো হোক। আর কথাটাও আমি বলতে চাই যে আমি নিজে আজকে উৎসাহ হয়ে এখানে বলেছি যে না, স্কুলে খুব ভালো হয়েছে, আমি এখানে ইয়ে করবো। কিন্তু সত্যি কথা যে আমি যদি স্কুলের কোনো স্টুডেন্টের যদি কোনো অসুবিধা হয় পড়াশোনার জন্য, যে কোনো কিছু অসুবিধা হয় আমাকে বলবেন, আমি স্কুলের ইয়ে থেকে আমি সাহায্য করে যাচ্ছি। আমি সত্যি কথা সবার সামনে বলছি, আমি পড়াশোনা করতে পারি নাই, মানে খুব আমাদের সময় মানে খুব অসুবিধা ছিল। যদি যদি কোনো স্টুডেন্টের যদি কোনো অসুবিধা হয়, তা আমি সবাইকে এটাই কথা বলছি যে আমার নাম্বার রাখবে, আমাকে ফোন করবে, বই হোক, খাতা হোক, কলম হোক, যে কোনো কিছু আমাকে একবার বলবে, আমি যতটুকু পারবো আমিও করবো। স্কুলের ম্যাডামদেরকে বলছি, প্রিন্সিপাল স্যারেরা আছেন, যদি কোনো স্কুলে যদি কোনো অসুবিধা হয় আমি চেষ্টা করব যাতে কিছু একটা ইয়ে করার জন্য। আজকে এখানে প্রোগ্রাম এসেছি, খুব ভালোই লেগেছে, অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Everyone and respected madam and my teaching staff. Today is in a selection program for HSLC exam. So I tell Bengali in some few words. আচ্ছা, আজকে রেজাল্টটা শুনে আমি খুব খুশি হয়েছি। আজকে যে আমাদের স্টুডেন্টগুলা, যে গুণমণি স্টুডেন্টগুলা খুব ভালো মতো রেজাল্ট করেছে। ডিস্টিংশন স্টার 3টা নিয়েছেন এবং স্টার 1জন নিয়েছেন। প্রেরণা ডিস্টিংশন পেয়েছে এবং পুষ্পরানী সিংহ এন্ড সনাতন ডিস্টিংশন পেয়েছে। আর বন্দনা ওয়াঠক তারা স্টার মার্ক পেয়েছে। এখন আমি খুব খুশি হয়েছি তাদের রেজাল্ট। আমি ভগবানের কাছে প্রার্থনা করতেছি যে তারা ভবিষ্যতে যেন আরো ইমপ্রুভ হয় এবং আমাদের স্কুলে উজ্জ্বল করে, এটাই আমি ভগবানের কাছে প্রার্থনা করে আজকের মতো এখানে শেষ করছি। বেস্ট অফ লাক।
Good morning everyone here present, and our school this year also maintained the same result process, so we are very happy and I congratulate all the students and I hope they will continue their life with their guidance and they will achieve their aims. So I congratulate again all the students here, and I also expect that the next batch also will follow them and bring a good result. And I also congratulate all our colleagues for this good result. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
আজকের দিনটা খুব সুখের দিন, কেননা এই জিএস গুণমণি থেকে আমাদের রেজাল্ট পাস করেছে, মানে মেট্রিক স্টুডেন্টগুলো খুব ভালো রেজাল্ট পাস করেছে এবং আজকে তারা স্কুল যেতেছেন অন্য স্কুলে। কিন্তু আজকের এই খুশিটা তাদের খুব মূল্যবান, তারা যাইতেছে কিন্তু আজ আমাদের স্কুলকে বিদায় দিয়ে যাইতেছে। এই বিদায় চিরদিনের জন্য নয়, কিছুদিনের মাত্র, তারা ভবিষ্যতে কেয়ারের জন্য এবং উন্নতির জন্য তারা আজ আমাদের স্কুল ছাড়তেছে। এইটার সঙ্গে মানে কি ভুল করে আমরা আজকে পোয়েম বলতেছি। এই পোয়েমের নাম বিদায়। ক্ষমা করো, ধৈর্য ধরো, হোক সুন্দর তোর বিদায়ের ক্ষণ। মৃত্যু নয়, ধ্বংস নয়, নয় বিষেদের ভয়, শুধু সমাপন, শুধু সুখ হতে স্মৃতি, শুধু দেখা হতে গীতি, তরি হতে তীর, খেলা হতে খেলা শান্তি, বাসনা হইতে শান্তি, নব হতে নীর। দিনান্তেরি নম্র করু, পড়ুক মাথার পর, আঁখে পড়ে ঘুম, হৃদয়ের পত্র পুঁতে, গোপনে উঠুক পুঁতে, বিশাল কুসুম। আরতি সংঘরতে নামিয়া আসুক তবে পূর্ণ পরিণাম, হাসি নয়, অশ্রু নয়, উদার বৈরাগ্যময় বিশাল বিশ্রাম। প্রভাতে যে পাখি সবে গেয়েছিল কলরবে, থামকে এখন প্রভাতে যে ফুলগুলি জেগেছিল মুখ তুলি, মুগ্ধ নয়ন। প্রভাতে যে পাখি দল ফিরেছিল সঞ্চল, যাক থেমে যাক, নীরবে উদয় হোক অসীম নক্ষত্র পরম নির্বাক। হে মহাসুন্দর শেষ, হে বিদায় অনিমেষ, হে সম্য বিশ্বাস, অনেকই দাঁড়াও সে মুসায় নয়ন নিয়ে করো আশীর্বাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Now I would like to call on the dais Madam Supriya Chakraborty for her speech.
I would like to thanks to Mr. Rinku Das Gupta, President of Dulugram GP, that they arranged such a wonderful program for our student. I also thank our HSLC student. They are securing good marks, especially Prerana Dev, Sana Devi, T. Pushparani. For their hard working, they are securing good marks. Already our teachers, our owners, and students also share their views. I just want to say, this is your first step. You succeed in this step. So I would like you one advice for you. You just choose a correct decision, that your upcoming future will be bright. So again, I would like to thank all of you for this result, and here I am concluding my speech. Thank you.
Now, closing song. Let's stand up everybody.